Equivalent of shell cd command to change the working directory. Cd is the shell command to change the working directory. How do I change the current working directory in Python?
You can change the working directory with. There are two best practices to follow when using this method. Catch the exception, Windows error, OS on invalid path. If the exception is thrown, do not perform any recursive operations, especially destructive ones. They will operate on the old path and not the new one. Return to your old directory when you're done. This can be done in an exception-safe manner by wrapping your chdir call in a context manager, like Brian M. Hunt did in his answer. Changing the current working directory in a subprocess does not change the current working directory in the parent process. This is true of the Python interpreter as well. You cannot use os.chdir to change the CWD of the calling process.
Here's an example of a context manager to change the working directory. It is simpler than an active state version referred to elsewhere, but this gets the job done. Context manager, cd. Or try the more concise equivalent below, using Context Manager. Example.
cd is easy to write using a generator and a decorator. Then, the directory is reverted even after an exception is thrown.
I would use os.chdir like this. By the way, if you need to figure out your current path, use os.getcould. More here.